Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to do a review on the Selfie wireless shutter button. I've been curious about this for a while now. People say it works to take pictures, but nobody says anything about the video part, and that's what I want to know. So we're going to take a look at it. I've already unboxed it. It's right here. Isn't that neat looking? It's got a little on-off button. That's my phone. I'm sorry, excuse it. But it came with a battery. The battery goes in here. The battery is, it says it right here, CR2032. It's one of those button cell batteries. So let's turn this on because that's what it says to do. So turn on and it says that the LED blue light will flash. That means it's in pairing mode. So I'm going to go into my phone. Oop, nope, that's not what I want. I want this one. Go into, I believe, the Bluetooth area and search for, according to the instructions, it's something that looks like high self remote. So let's see, anything. Let's see. Come on now. I want new stuff. Other devices. Oh, there it is. High self remote short version. So we click on that. Should be pairing. And we are connected. So let's get out of this. And go to here. I am going to try for video. So I'm going to point this at me. Let's see. And my lovely assistant, Mommy, tell me when it's pointed at me.
It's at you.
It's at me?
Yes.
Alright, I'm going to click the button. Hi everybody and welcome to the one, the only Ninja. Did it work? Did it work? Let's find out. I think it did. I think it did. Hi everybody and welcome to the one, the only Ninja. It worked! Okay, now let's try for photos. So let me get out of that. Get into photos. My lovely assistant, Mommy, is going to tell me when this is in, when I'm good. Alma.
You're good.
Right there?
Yep. Alright.
I believe that worked. I heard it. And it did! Alright, ladies and gentlemen. It works. It works for your videos and it works for your photos. This is a keeper for me. Alright, see you next time. Bye!